Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to set up XIAOMI Live TV on your XIAOMI A Pro. First, go to Quick Settings and make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi by selecting the Wi-Fi tile and confirming you have a network. Then go to the My Home section and select one of the available channels in your region, for example, these Western channels. Wait until the program loads, and then you can switch between channels using the D-pad key and select a channel. As you can see, we have plenty of options here. If you press the middle D-pad key, you can also choose from a wider variety of channels, including the For You section with movies, news, and other content. Just select the program you want to watch, and you'll be redirected straight to it. This is a music channel, but I've muted the music. If you're asked for permissions or to agree to terms of service, you'll need to do that to use this feature. You also have settings with a user guide and a full channel list. That's pretty much it. You can use it right away, completely for free, and all you need is an internet connection. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If it helps, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave us a like in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.